देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकी।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope you are doing absolutely fine, and I really hope you like the intro of this video because I loved it. And this video is the second part or the sequel of previous vlog where we were halfway to Pawna from Yerauda, Pune. And in this vlog, I'll show you all the fun things I did in the Pawna lake camping. So going ahead, as I mentioned in my previous vlog, from Yerauda to Pawna, which in case you haven't watched, don't forget to watch it before this one. I'll put the link on the I button. आप लोग I button का लिंक क्लिक कर सकते हैं जो आपके राइट टॉप कॉर्नर में है और मेरे लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे दिख रहा है। और आप लोग जब उस वीडियो पे क्लिक करेंगे तब आप देख पाएंगे मैंने किस प्रकार से कॉर्नरिंग पे कॉर्नरिंग मार के गाड़ी पावना से सॉरी गाड़ी पुणे से पावना लाई है।
Okay, there is a birthday today. Can we sing together?
Yes.
सर साथ में गा लेते बर्थडे सॉन्ग है ना? एनिवर्सरी है। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah. To you, and I know that happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiv. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, boy. अरे एनिवर्सरी का भी गाना हो गया। अच्छा एनिवर्सरी ऐसा कौन सा एनिवर्सरी है? एनिवर्सरी है। मैं ढूंढूं यहाँ वहाँ कहाँ सारा जहाँ वैसे चल रहा है। इतना
Hope you all loved the live music and his singing. Comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The live music was exactly after we had our dinner, and what a treat it was. We all slept in our tents, and it was my first ever experience, and I loved it. And I also would recommend you all to visit here to try it. Today is the next day, and we are on a kayak doing the kayaking. Yes, the boat I'm riding is known as the kayak, and the activity is called kayaking. A kayak is basically a small, narrow watercraft which is propelled by double bladed paddle like the one I am holding. And the word kayak originates from the Greenlandic word kayak, which is spelled as Qajaq, where the J is silent. Kayaking is quite easy if you do it right, even for a beginner for sure. So you only need a few skills to get started. Paddling technique, the first, getting in and out of the vessel, the second, and third is the launching of the boat. Once you master all these three skills, which are very easy, trust me, you will be a good kayaking master, you can say. With the right training and preparation, of course, you will find kayaking much easier than most of the other sports. So, kayaking is a low impact activity, as I have experienced, that can improve your aerobic fitness, strength, and flexibility as well. I can feel the strain in my biceps and shoulders already. And also, always wear a life jacket when doing the kayaking, like the one I am wearing, for safety measures.
A few moments later.
So, ladies and gentlemen, my mom, Urf I, is a poet and she writes wonderful poems. So, I present to you one of her recently written poems, Pravas.
काळ्या काळ्या मेघांची पांघरून दुलई निजली हिरवी गार राई उडवीत काळ्या रेघांची शाई तेथून एक निसर्ग प्रेमी जाई सान बालके हर्षित होती पाहून लाटांच्या रंगीत फिती संगे सवे सखे सोबती गप्पा गोष्टींच्या तोफा झडती खाऊ पिऊ विसरून सारे अंगावर झेलती गार गार वारे पाहुणी त्यांचे खट्याळ चेहरे वाट सरूंचे प्रेम उभरे मनी वाटे स्थानक कधीच न यावे अशाच नावेतून पुढेच जावे प्रवास असा हा सुखकर व्हावे न मागुती वळुनी कधी पहावे.
Let me know in the comment section your thoughts about the poem. So here we have completed our kayaking activity and are returning to the base. So kayaking per person is 150 rupees. If you choose camp in Pawna, the one that hosted us, they are good people. I'll share their Instagram link in the description. Also, you must be seeing it on the screen. The people from camp in Pawna were helpful, friendly, and treated us with great hospitality. Also, the food, both veg and non-veg, was great. So, I have ridden this TVS Ntorq for more than 100 kilometers now. So, what I'll say is comfort is a green tick. Second, performance is a green tick, which includes all the acceleration, then braking, handling, and everything. Because of which I am so in love with this performance packed scooter. Chota packet, bada dhamaka it is. Since I am talking about speeding, I should also make you aware about how to ride when speeding. I mean the precautions basically. Okay, the first thing is buy a good helmet that provides utmost protection. All, of course, which style? Second point is wear riding boots. If that is not possible at all, at least wear good sport shoes but never slippers, because that is completely the squid category. And most likely, most of us don't know that slippers provide zero protection if you fall or if you meet an accident. The third point is wear a good riding jacket. And if that's not possible, at least wear a Kevlar riding jacket, means the sleeveless one, because that comes cheaper. And अगर वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है तो एटलीस्ट एक पैडेड जैकेट जो कोई भी वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा वो परचेज कर लो. दैट इज फॉर योर ओन सेफ्टी. If at all you are not a fan of riding jacket and riding pants, at least wear knee, shoulder and elbow armors. You can find it directly on Google. All these precautionary measures are not mandatorily only for the rider but for the pillion as well, because recent accidents have shown that both the riders, means the rider and the pillion, get hurt in an accident. So that goes without saying, precaution is better than cure. So always ride safe. If you are going for long rides, if you are going for short rides, just make sure you are riding safe and well protected. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button if you love this video, and spam the comment section with your valuable thoughts. And I am headed home now. While I enjoy this amazing adrenaline rush, I want you guys to enjoy the same with some music. Tata.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.